Hello, greetings, good day everyone. Yeah, today we are coming to learn about Python comments. Yeah, we are coming to learn about Python comment today in our tutorial. So let's move into business without wasting much time. Now, what is Python comment? In our tutorial, Python comment can be used to explain Python code. Number one, note it. Python comments can be used to explain Python code. Let me quickly write them for you so that you see what you understand what I mean. Let me use the notepad to quickly do that for you. Notepad. Come up. Come up. Let me quickly do that for you. Now today you are learning Python comment. Yes, Python comment. Good. Now let me give it to you. Python comments can be used to explain Python codes. Yes, this is number one. This is number one. Yes. Number two, Python comments can be used to make the code more readable. Python comments can be used to make the code more readable. Number three, comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Python comments can be used to prevent execution when testing codes. Yes, when testing codes. Now, these are the basic things you can use Python comment for. In Python, we have two types of comments. Yes, in Python, we have two types of comments. Number one, we have the hash comment and the multiline comment. Yes, we have two types of comments in Python. Yes, fix. Number one, single line comments. Number two, multiline comments. These are the two types of comments we have in Python. Now, single line comments, we make use of the hashtag. Now, we are going to start with the single line comments, then accomplish all this code. Then later we go into the multi-line comment. So let's get into business quickly. All right, good. Now let me minimize this notepad. I'm going to be teaching you from everything I've written down here. I'm going to teach you all of them. So let me minimize. Let me go to my Python file. Open my Python file here. Yes, this is it. Okay, it's open already. Now I want to open my VS Code. Yes, I write my code with VS Code, so you can equally do yours with any other code editing software. Now I will right click on inside my Python folder here, and I'm going to see open with code. I will click on open with code, and my VS Code will load in the jiffy. Okay, it's already here now. The VS Code is already here. Okay, now that the VS Code is already here, before that, Now let me go back to my stem Python folder, the folder where I have my Python files, or where I want to store my Python files. Then on this address bar of the folder here, this address bar here, you can see it very well. The address bar here, yes, the address bar here. So here now, delete all this here and type cmd to open the folder directly from, to open the command prompt directly from the folder. Type cmd here and hit your enter key, and boom, you will see command prompt open for you. Let me zoom this command prompt a little, that you will see everything I am doing. Now I think by now my VS Code should be ready by now. Let me click inside here, and yeah, it's ready now. So now let's start job. Let's start. Now over here, I'm gonna press Ctrl N to open new file. Yes, then Ctrl S to save the file. Then I'm gonna save my Python file as Python comments, Python underscore comments. Yes, Python underscore comments. Yeah, .py. Yes, Python underscore comment.py. Hit my enter key. Now it will create the Python file for me. I don't need to bother about where I store. I don't need to bother about anything. If you follow my process, everything will just be in line and in touch with me. So let me zoom this so you are going to see it more clear. So now we want to start Python comments. Python comments begin with the hash symbol. Yes, yeah, it begins with this symbol here. Yeah, that is notes. Python comments begin with the hash symbol for, let me put it in quotes so that you will know, begin with this. Yes, for single and multi-line comments. Yes, full stop. Okay, continue. But multi-line comments begin with triple, yes, it begins with the quotation, triple quotation mark. Yeah, either single or double. It begins with this. Yeah, three quotation let me put this line, please. I want you to understand this tutorial. That is why I'm writing all these things. Three quotation marks, either single or double quotes. Full stop. So if you are up to this part here, now we are good to go. So I'm gonna start with this first. Yes, I'm gonna start with this first. Let me put 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes, let me put it. Okay. I think I need to also break it down so you get what I mean. So now let's continue. I just want you to understand this tutorial. So now let's continue. I haven't gone to this aspect here. Now let's head on to the coding. You've known now that comment in Python starts with this quotation over here. Now let's go into coding. Now number one here, they say Python code can become Python comment can be used to explain Python code. For instance, let me say I said X. Okay. Now comment declare S create a variable X and assign 5 to it. You see, it is used to explain this code. Are you getting me? Now you can come here and say X assign 5. You see it now. Now let's go again. Good. Hashtag the hash symbol or comment symbol. Okay. All right. Now I can say okay. Create a variable. Control C. Control V. Create a variable Y and assign 10 to it. And assign 10 to it. Now let's go. So now let's go now. So I'm gonna come here and put Y assign 10. Okay, folks, let's go. Now I haven't done that. I'm gonna put the comment again. I'll say print the addition of X and Y, which will be print open bracket X plus Y. Good. Now you see, yeah, you are not interested in running the code right now. What you're interested in is how to understand the comment. So when you go and run the code by typing python underscore comment dot py, you see it print 15 for you, but that is not my intention. Like, it's not my interest. My interest is letting you to understand what is Python comment. Yeah, that is what I am interested in. Okay, this is single line comment. This is single line comment. Now let's take the topic again. Python comment can be used to Python comments can be used to make the code more readable. Now, good. Now, how can we make the code more readable? Now, over here, the print statement, we can type something like this. Printing the product or the sum of X and X plus Y so that we can use that same sum, yes, to test another condition. Good. Now you can see, you see what I'm doing here. Good. Now I say printing the sum of X and Y so that we can use that same sum to test another condition. You see it now, right? Good. It can be used to explain the code, and also it can be used to make the code more readable. It can be used to make the code more readable. This is for single line comments. You see, it bears only one line, Now the third topic, the least but not the last topic, is Python comment can be used to prevent execution code. Now good. Now let me come over here. Print x times y. Good. Now good. Let me push this over here. Yes. Now let's continue over here. Now we are going to tackle this third one. Python comment can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Now what does that mean? Now let's say we want to print x times y that is to execute the code. Now print x times x times y. Now if you print x times y, now let's go to the command prompt here. Now let's clear everything. Control okay, CLS. Now let's go. You see, print x times y give us 50 because 5 times 10 is what? 50. Now if you want to prevent this 50 from displaying, that is from executing, that from coming out, that is preventing the code from execution. Yeah, like as it is written here, Python code can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Now let's go over here. Now I can prevent this code here by just going here and put what? Hash. You see, when I put this particular Python comment hash over here, the code become like other comments. Yes, Python interpreter don't interpret comment. It sees comment as non-executable statements. You understand? Python interpreter sees comment as non-executable statements. So if you want to make any code at all not to be printable or not to be executable, then you can just put what hash over there and it will make the code not to be executable. Are you getting me? Just like as I put hash at the back of this code x. Now I have already add the hash symbol at the back of the print. You see, it's convert the print to non-statement. Now let me go to my command prompt and type and print. You see, it didn't print what? The 50 again. It prints only 15, which is what? From this x plus y. You see it now, right? So now this is for single line comment. Now for multi-line comment, just like what I have written here, it should have been broken into line by line. Now let's come down here. Let's say I want to rewrite everything I've written down here. Control C, Control V. Now look at it over here. I am going to break this line from here. Now you see, when you break the line, the comments will continue. You see it now. When you break the line, the comments will continue. You see, you break the line, come over here, you break the line. You see, this is called multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. The hashtag symbol in Python comment can be used to handle both single and multi-line comments. You understand? The hash symbol in Python comment is used to handle both single and multi-line comments. Yeah, so now that is how to create what multi-line comments. That is after here we have single line comment, which is what we have just treated here, up here. All those are single line comments. Now we have multi-line comment, which is what I just treated here. Yeah, you can even create a multi-line comment like this. You type something like come over here. My name is CJ Soft. You come down. You see, now before you start typing again, you have to put another hashtag comment again. Now I am a Python programmer. You see, you come down again, you put another thing. It can be used. I am teaching Python programming now. You see, Now you can see that you can use it to handle both single line comment and multi-line comment. Yes, so that is it. You see these comments over here, when I break them, these comments over here, when I bring them here, when you break you add, when you break you add. That is how to handle a multi-line and single line comment. I hope you understood. Now let's go over to this word. Note, Python comments begin with hash. We have done that for single and multi-line comment, but multi-line comment begin with three quotation mark, single or double quotation mark. Yes, for instance now, I can come over here and put 1, 2, 3. Yes, double quotation mark. This is also considered to be comment in Python programming. Yes, I can come here. This is mostly used 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now let's say I put print x times x divide by y. Now let's print this statement. Good. Let me go. You see that it didn't print x divided by y. You see, it's only that x plus y it prints. Why? Because it is used as multi-line comment. This particular multi-line comment can extend. Yes, you can extend it if you want. Yeah, if you want. It is useful when you want to write short notes about your code. That is when it is very useful. Yes, 2, 3. Okay, let's go 1, 2, 3. Now look at, I will just come over here. Come here. Like I said, indentation is very important. When your comment starts here, it becomes an error. Indentation is very important in Python. If you want to know more about Python syntax, please watch my previous tutorials, and they're going to teach you more about Python syntax. Now let me delete this. So this is the triple quotation mark for comments. I can come here, put we need to print the product of x and y. So okay, of x and y. So you see multi-line now, it can break it automatically, so that we should know, so that the answer will be used to determine the next code step. Yeah, you see multi-line comments. Yes, in this project, you see it now. So now print x times y. Yes, now let's come over here and run the code. You see, it didn't print anything there because this multi-line comment is considered, as what? Multi-line comment. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please do not forget to subscribe. I am CJ Soft, a computer programmer. My programming knowledge, I'm just trying to build people in programming to let them know that they can do it. Programming is not difficult the way they think. Yes, or constant practice will make you know that programming is not that difficult. Many people think it's difficult, so they run away from their career or their responsibility whatsoever they want to do in IT. So please follow my tutorial, and I'm gonna make sure that I teach you Python programming from scratch, and also that I'm gonna make sure that I build you in Python programming, and you are going to be useful in whatsoever you are doing in this field of Python programming, and your dream will surely come true in the world of programming. So thank you and God bless you. Please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, please. I beg you, hit the subscribe button. This is what drives me, this is what fuels me, this is what actuates me to produce more video, more engaging Python tutorial video. This tutorial will extend from basic to advanced Python, such as data analysis, data science, machine learning. We are going to build full machine learning model, train the model and use the model in our project. We are going to build software, desktop applications, Android applications, websites in this my YouTube channel. So build with me, follow me, and you will succeed. All right, thank you and God bless you. Once more, do not forget to subscribe, like and share, comment as well. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you.